Want to kick toxins out of your home but not sure where to start? Watch this video for my super simple step-by-step guide. For the best brain health solutions, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Are you carefully watching what goes into your mouth, but when it comes to keeping a healthy home, can't figure out where to begin? By the end of this video, you'll know my top 3 items that you can remove from your home to start living cleaner today. I've done this and so have hundreds of my members, and now it's your turn. Kick those candles out of your house. Candles are something that we love to have in our home. We love the flicker of the light and we love the smell of a scented candle. But here's the thing, they contain fragrance and other toxins that are not good for our bodies. They actually are disrupting the way our cells are working. So the best bet is to just get all those candles out of your home. The other thing that candles do is they emit carbon into the air, and we're actually breathing it into our lungs. So we're better off just not having candles in our home. There are plenty of natural solutions that are super yummy smelling that will be much better for your health. It will actually make you a healthier person. Air fresheners. Another thing laden with fragrance. Here's the thing. The Toxic Substance Control Act of 1976 grandfathered in a bunch of toxic chemicals that are cancer causing and have all sorts of problems. And fragrance is one of those things. We don't know how it affects our body, but what we do know is that it actually makes our nose smell things not the proper way. So you want to make sure that you're getting rid of air fresheners. They're toxic, they're not good for you. Eliminate air fresheners and you will start feeling better right away. Comment below and let us know what household product you'd like to replace with a natural, safe solution. Dryer sheets. So what happens with dryer sheets is they are another item that is laden with fragrance. Do you see what's happening now? Do you see how anything with fragrance is really not safe for human beings or for animals? So to keep your home a safe, healthy home, eliminate things with fragrance. The problem with dryer sheets is that they not only get into our clothes and they're like stinking up the environment by like emitting those scents outdoors. I don't know if you notice that, but I can smell it when someone's doing their laundry, and I can smell their dryer sheets and it immediately gives me a headache. So what happens is we get those toxins from the dryer sheets all over our clothes. Then we hang them in our closet and they outgas while we're sleeping at night, and we're breathing in all those toxins. They're on our sheets, they're on our comforters and on our pillowcases, on our night clothes. We're wearing them, they're touching our skin. It's just really smart to get rid of dryer sheets, and there are super easy solutions that you will be so happy you did away with dryer sheets. It'll save you money and you will be feeling healthier, and you'll know you're doing your best for your family. Now you know exactly how to begin kicking toxins out of your home, but what else can you do to become your best self? I've created a free checklist with 7 quick and simple steps to eliminate brain fog, restore focus, and transform your health. Click the link below. Join me and a community of women just like you. I have a secret society where I share up-to-date health and wellness advice to help you navigate the sometimes tricky waters in learning what foods and products are safe and which ones are not. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And comment below with "it helped" if this video helped you.